Hi everybody, let's create this presentation and see how it looks like. Okay, it's look amazing. Let's try to create that. For that, we need to insert a slide, and in the slide we need to create these two shapes. So how we create them? We at first need to enter a rectangle. Then softly we think when we enter a line and select everything and go to shape format, and then go to merge, you see we can't find it. But if you call here for merge, you also can't find it. So what we should do is that you need to insert another rectangle, rotate it, then bring it here, press Ctrl A, and then make it fragment. Then you need to select two parts and go to shape one, make the on. Now your shape is created. Select them, make them the color you want. Let's go with the dark blue, and the shape outline to none. Okay, none is the best. And I also want to give it some shadow. This shadow and also this shadow. It's good. Then copy the text. The text is created by using impact font. Nothing special. Then bring it out. Change the color to the dark blue we are using. Copy the text up, make it black, and set the transition to morph. Now let's see, your video is created and looking as great as possible. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, tell me in the comments.